When do you think it's acceptable to add more funds to your trading account? I think if you've been consistent and following rules and also grown your account, that's when I think you can add money to your account slowly. But if you have problems not taking losses, even though you get stopped out, if you have these basic things you're not able to do, you shouldn't add money to your trading account. But if you have no problems taking losses, if you trade good setups, you follow the rules, then you can add slowly. Maybe not all the 30K at once, but maybe 5,000 a month or something, 10,000 a month, as long as you're growing your account. And most importantly, just following the rules and have good money position management, etc. i.e. not going all in one stock. You need help with scaling up? Yeah, or you could choose to not add to your account, just let it grow organically. You double it, and then you double it again, and then you double it again, and in 5 years, you're gonna have 10 million in your account. That's what happened to me. And then you're gonna have 20, and then 40, and just double. It's easier said than done, but it can be done. If you have a good setup, if you have sound money management, you're gonna do it. Just need to study those damn setups. My YTD performance, probably over 500%. I don't know exactly. I've withdrawn some money from my account and I bought a boat and a new car and stuff like that. I don't know exactly. I haven't done the math. But it's pretty damn good. It's percentage-wise, I think it may be my next best year. My best year was like 650%, but then my account was really small. I grew it from like 100K to 600-700K or something like that. Or 50K to 300-400K or something like that. But I think, and my next best year has been like 450%, I think. And this year so far is in between those two, percentage-wise. And dollar-wise, it's obviously like, I've made like 80% of all the money I've ever made this year. Yeah, something like that. More. Yeah, taxes will hurt. I started the year with like 3.5. And now I have a lot more than that. Yeah, snow is coming back. Like the 10 and the 20 day are so important. They're so important. If you're a momentum trader, you need to have the 10 and the 20 day. Or the variations of them. I know some people use the 21 EMA and the 9S EMA and stuff like that. It doesn't matter, like, which one. You just need to use variations of those. I think they're super important. That's really the only two indicators you need. You really don't need any more indicators. And also VWAP if you want to short parabolic type of stocks. That's the only indicators you'll ever need. If you have any more than that, you're setting up for failure, in my opinion. WTX, never heard of that symbol. WTX? Oh, SWTX. Oh, sorry. Avoid this. It's super choppy. I trade stocks that are clean, that have clean moves. Look at something like this. Like it's up, it's down, it's up, it's down, it's up, it's down. It's been kind of inching higher, but this is not a trading stock. Avoid it. It's a horrible stock. Let's look at something like, I don't know, Plug. I'm just pulling tickers out of my ass. Like, look at something like this, right? When it has a breakout, it goes. It doesn't chop up and down, right? It goes straight up. That, it's a clean and linear. Look at how it acts around the 10, the 20 day. It's super clean. Well, this SWTX, it's all over the place. It's all over the place. It's something you have to train your eyes to, seeing the difference between linear and clean stocks and stocks that are not clean. It takes some time, but EMA in the hourly. I think the EMA works really well on the hourly. Again, it doesn't really matter which ones. It's just I've been using this for many years, and I think it works really nice for me. It doesn't really matter. EMA, SMA, the 10 day, the 9 day, the 20 day, the 21 day. It's just, you know, there's nothing really scientific about it. They just work. Oh, yeah, these daily. I just track big movers, like good setups, and I usually I usually track the stocks that are up on news and high volume, or that are breaking out like from nice setups. Those are the ones I track, and then I go back. Like for example, I've been slacking. It's already, yeah, so let's clean the 4th of November watch list. So 4th of November, AMD had a little breakout out of a 100-day bounce. Didn't have much follow through that time around. Nvidia had a little bit of breakout. Didn't have much follow through. XBEV. Oh, this is the day when we bought it. $24. This is where I bought 50,000 shares that I happily sold at 36. Oh yeah. And then it went to 74. I wish I you know, if someone invents a time machine, that would be a pretty good thing. So I just track these movers, the notable movers. And that's how you build. That's how you train your brain to understand setups. Like you track them. This is how you learn how to, you know, what works and what doesn't work. You can read as many books as you want. You can go to as many seminars as you want. And I think it's necessary to get the grasp of the basics. But other than that, to really understand what works and what doesn't work in the markets, you need to do this. You need to track setups. It doesn't matter. Like I track breakouts and episodic pivots mostly, and parabolic shorts. But whatever your setup is, you want to trade, you need to track it real time. You need to track those. See what works, what doesn't work. Not all setups work all the time, and that's how you learn. That's how you train your brain. No one else is gonna do it for you. You gotta do it yourself. You need to put in the work. Every day, every week, every month. This is not a game for the mentally lazy, like Livermore said. You can be of average intelligence, but if you're lazy, you're not gonna make it. Would you recommend go through all US listed stocks and finding setups and then saving them in Evernote or Apple Notes? Yes, that's what I've been preaching for since I started streaming. That's exactly what you should do. Yeah, that's how you do it. You go through all of them.